Are you looking for the best auto shut-off toaster ovens? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best auto shut-off toaster ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Auto Shut-Off Toaster Ovens. The Q-Isonet Custom Classic Toaster Oven Broiler is a compact and versatile appliance that fits 11-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. With 1800 watts of high-performance power, you can toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, and keep warm with ease. The toaster oven has a stainless steel front with a cool touch handle and easy grip dials, easy clean non-stick interior, automatic shut-off safety feature, and always even toast shade control for even toasting. The auto slide rack makes it easy to remove cooked food, and it comes with a baking pan, wire rack, front removable crumb tray with cool touch grip, and a recipe book. Number 2. Q-Isonet Toast 60 watts Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Q-Isonet Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium 1800 watt appliance with 7-inch-1 functions and a wide temperature range of 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It can toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. The adjustable timer thermostat and toast shade selector timer ensure your meals are cooked to perfection. The oven has a non-stick easy clean interior, an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, and air fry rack, basket. With convection bake, convection broil, pizza, roast, bagel, reheat, warming feature, defrost, and high-low convection fan speed options, this appliance is perfect for cooking a variety of meals. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 2-inch-1 Countertop Oven and Toaster. The Hamilton Beach 2-inch-1 Countertop Oven and Toaster is a versatile appliance that lets you bake, broil, and toast with ease. With a spacious interior that can accommodate a 9-inch pizza, this oven is perfect for making muffins, baked potatoes, casseroles, and more. You can toast your bread 40% faster than a traditional toaster oven, thanks to its separate shade selector. What's more, the oven has a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off, so you can set it and forget it without worrying about overcooking or leaving the oven on. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven with Roll-Top Door. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven with Roll-Top Door has a unique feature that allows the roll-top door to move up and out of the way for you to have safe, easy access to your food before, during and after cooking. It is also easy to keep clean as the door is up and out of the way of messy spills and drips. With 2 rack positions and included bake pan, you can bake, broil and toast with ease, making it easy to get started on cooking a variety of foods that you can fit up to 6 slices of toast, 12 inches pizza and 9 inches x 11 inches bake pan inside the spacious interior. Also, with its contoured knobs, which is safer and easier to maneuver, cooking is made more convenient. Number 5. Mini Toaster Oven Cooker, Aqua. The generic mini toaster oven is a versatile cooker that can make toast, bagels, pizza, paninis, and even cookies in one compact appliance. Its dial-controlled timer ensures that your food comes out perfectly toasted every time. The removable dishwasher-safe crumb tray, baking tray, and oven rack make cleanup a breeze for spotless countertops. More energy efficient than a traditional oven, this 550-watt mini toaster oven is perfect for smaller portions, picky eaters, or on-the-go snacks. Its small size takes up little counter space, making it an excellent wedding or new home gift with sleek design and trendy color options to match any kitchen. Number 6. Proctor Silex 4-Slice Toaster Oven Broiler. The Proctor Silex 4-Slice Toaster Oven Broiler is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance that can toast, broil, and bake, making it great for everyday cooking. With the ability to toast 4 slices of bread at once, It saves time in the kitchen. The easy-to-use manual controls and 30-minute timer with ready bell make it perfect for anyone who wants a toaster oven that gets the job done without being complicated. Plus, it comes with a bake pan and oven rack for added convenience, and the built-in crumb tray makes cleaning up a breeze. Number 7. Mini Toaster Oven Cooker, Aqua. The Mini Oven, Aqua is a versatile toaster oven that can make toast, bagels, pizza, paninis, and even cookies. It's perfect for smaller portions, picky eaters, or when you're on the go. Its mini size makes it more energy efficient than your oven. The timer is dial controlled, ensuring that your food comes out perfectly toasted every time. Cleaning is a breeze with its removable baking tray, oven rack, and crumb tray, all of which are dishwasher safe. The Mini Oven, Aqua is the perfect wedding or new home gift, with its sleek design and trendy color options that will match any kitchen decor. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, a baking tray, oven rack, crumb tray, recipe book, and recipe database access.